How to delete all website data on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete all website data on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then scroll down until you find this one, sites and downloads. Click on it and click this one, manage website data, and then all you need to do is just click delete and click all here, and now click delete all. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.